Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. In business taxation, we are discussing Income Tax Ordinance 2001, their definitions. Now we start with the remaining definitions. First definition is residential or non-resident person, section 8184. Income Tax Ordinance 2001 doesn't make any distinction on nationality or domicile basis. Rather than tax liability for a person is determined on the basis of the fact that whether he is a resident or non-resident person. It must be noted that to be a resident or non-resident as used above has nothing to do with a dwelling place or nationality. Rather, it is a term purely designed for tax purpose. The status of the resident or non-resident person is always associated with a particular income year because it may change from year to year. A person's status is determined with reference to the period of his stay. Purpose of stay is immaterial in Pakistan in that tax year. The federal government is treated as a resident. Now, for the purpose of income tax, all the persons are grouped under two categories: resident or non-resident. Resident individual, section 82. An individual will be a resident person in Pakistan in any tax year if he fulfills any one of the following three conditions. He is in Pakistan for a periods amounting in all to 183 days or more. He is in Pakistan in that year for a period of or for periods amounting in all to 120 days or more, and within 4 years proceeding, the tax year has been in Pakistan for the period of or periods amounting in all to 365 days or more. He is an employee or official of federal government or provincial government posted abroad in that tax year. Resident company, section 83. A company shall be a resident company for tax year if it fulfills any one of the following conditions. It is incorporated or formed by or under any law in Pakistan. The control and management of the company is situated wholly in Pakistan at any time in the year. It is a provincial government or a local government in Pakistan. Next, association of persons, section 84. An association of persons shall be a resident for any tax year if the control and the management of the affairs of the association is situated wholly or partly in Pakistan at any time in the year. Resident persons, section 2, subsection 52. A person shall be a resident person for the tax year if the person is residential individual, resident company, or resident association of person for the year, or federal government. Next, non-resident persons, section 2, subsection 37. Under the Income Tax Ordinance 2001, a person shall be a non-resident person for that a year if the person is not a resident person for that year. Royalties, section 2, subsection 54. Royalties means any amount paid or payable as consideration for the use of any patent, invention, design or model, secret formula or process, trademarks or any other property or rights of this type. The use of right to use any property, copyrights of literary artists or scientific work, including films or videotapes for the use in connection with the television or tapes in connection with the radio broadcasting. However, consideration for the year sale of cinema auto films will not be treated as a royalty. The receipts of or rights to receive any visual image or sounds or both transmitted by satellite cable, optical fiber or similar technology in connection with television, radio or internet broadcasting. The supply of any technical, industrial, commercial or scientific knowledge, experience or skills, the use of or right to use any industrial, commercial or scientific equipment, the supply of any assistance that is a subsidiary to any property or rights mentioned above, the disposal of any property or right referred above. Salary, section 2, subsection 55. Salary means any amount received by an employee from any employment, whether of revenue or a capital nature. Small company, section 2, subsection 59A, under the income tax ordinance, small company means a company which fulfills the following conditions. It is registered on or after 1st July 2005 under the company's ordinance. Paid up capital plus undistributed reserve should not be exceed 50 million rupees. The company's firm annual turnover should not be exceeds 250 million rupees. The company is not formed by reconstructing or splitting up already existing business, and total employees are not more than 250 at any time during the year. Special judge, section 2, subsection 59B. A special judge under the income tax ordinance 2001 means a person appointed as such by the federal government under section 203 of the ordinance. Speculation business, section 2, subsection 61. A speculation business means any business in which a contract for the purchase and sale of any commodity, including stock and shares, is periodically or ultimately settled otherwise than by the actual delivery or transfer of commodity, but doesn't include a business in which a contract in respect of raw material or merchandise is entered into by a person in the course of manufacturing or mercantile law business to guard against loss through future price fluctuations for the purpose of fulfilling the person's other contract for the actual delivery of the goods to be manufactured or merchandise to be sold. A contract in respect of stock and shares is entered into by a dealer or investors therein to guard against loss in a person's holding of stocks and shares through price fluctuation. A contract is entered into by a member for forward market or stock exchange in the course of any transaction to guard against any loss which may arise in the ordinary course of the person's business, such as a member. Stock fund, section 2, subsection 61A. Stock fund means a collective investment schemes or a mutual funds where the investable funds are invested by the way of equity shares in the companies to the extent of more than 75% of the investment. Stock in trade, section 2, subsection 62. Stock in trade means anything produced, manufactured, purchased, or otherwise acquired for manufacture sale or exchange and any material or supplies to be consumed in the production or manufacturing process, but doesn't include stock or share. Startup, section 2, subsection 62A. It means a business of a resident that commenced on after 1st July 2012, and the person is engaged in technology-driven product or services provided by the person is registered by the Pakistani Software Export Board, and its turnover is less than 100 millions in each of the last 5 years. Any business of a person which the federal government may specify in the official gazette. Next definition is tax, section 2, subsection 63. Tax means any tax imposed under the income tax law. It also includes any penalty, fees, or other charges, or any sum or amount leviable or payable under the Income Tax Ordinance 2001. Next definition is a taxable income. Section 2, subsection 64. The taxable income of a person for the tax year shall be the total income of the person for the year as reduced by any deductible allowance. However, taxable income should not be below the zero.